Assalamu alaikum 7th class. How are you all students? I am your science teacher Ms. Riddhan sir. Welcome to the science class. Students, today we are going to talk about how sounds travels. Students, if we are listening to a drummer in a band, we do not have to put our ears on the drum skin to hear the beat. Sound can travel through the air. The sound is carried to our ears by vibrating molecules in the air. So, this proves that sound needs a medium to travel through them. Sound travel in waves. Sound must travel through matter to be heard. Matter can be solid, liquid or gas. Sound only travels through a matter, and the matter may be a solid, liquid or gas. A sound is made when things vibrate. Sound travels by sending vibrations through matter. Sounds are carried by vibrating particles. Sound can travel through gases just like air in the room. So we can easily listen different kinds of voices in our room. So it proves that sound can travel through gases, liquids, water in a swimming pool, solids, wall and windows in our room. So sounds cannot travel through a vacuum, totally empty space. Vacuum means a place where is no medium is present. So sound cannot travel through a vacuum. Sounds need a substance to travel through and travels by particles vibrating. Which state of matter does sound travel faster? In the picture, three different mediums are given. First one is solid, second one is liquid and third one is gas. So sound waves travel fastest through solids because their particles are very closely packed together. So sound travels fastest through solids as compared to liquids and gases. The particles in a solid are closer together than in a gas or a liquid. This means vibrations are more easily passed from particles to particles and so sound travel. As you see, in case of gases, vibrations feel difficulty from movement from one molecule to another molecule. So it proves that sound travels fastest through solids as compared to liquid and gases. As we know, sound waves are formed when something vibrates. But how does the sound reaches our ears? When we speak, the air molecules are present around us. An object makes a sound by vibrating. When something vibrates, the vibrations pass through air by making air molecules vibrate. And these vibrations which are passing through the ear reach to our ear, and then our ear detect the voices and sounds. To prove this, we consider an experiment with the air in the jar. The sound from the loudspeaker can be heard clearly because in the air a medium is present which is air. As the air is pumped out, no sound can be heard because there is no medium in the jar, so it acts just like a vacuum. So we cannot see or we cannot hear any kind of voice. Students, this is your assignment. Thank you and Allah Hafiz students.